In a Japanese sushi restaurant, you're likely to hear a special way of ordering. Omakase, please. Omakase means you leave it up to the chef to decide what to serve. It comes from the Japanese word meaning to entrust. One of the joys of ordering omakase is that you never know what to expect. Here he's serving a special fish only available for a short period in summer. Very nice. The special taste of summer. Having the faith to put yourself in the trusted hands of an expert professional. That's what omakase is all about. This Tokyo resident uses an omakase service to buy vegetables each month. Because it's omakase, they never know what's in the box until they open it. All these vegetables are grown in Kochi Prefecture. A fat eggplant! This way I get vegetables I never see in my local supermarket. They're always delicious and fun to eat with my sons. Imakubo Koro is the man behind this service. Well watered and with year-round fine weather, Kochi is known for its quality food crops. The idea came to me on a trip to Kochi. The taste of the local vegetables here was simply unbeatable. Imakubo talked with many Kochi farmers before choosing those he knew he could completely rely on. This year the tomatoes are very fruity and have a great smell. When you give them to kids, they just can't stop eating them. Imakubo only chooses produce that he enjoys eating himself to supply to customers all over Japan. I want to give my customers foods that they've never had the chance to experience before. Kochi has all these amazing, unique flavors that I think should be more widely known. This bookshop in Hokkaido looks like any other. So why is it flooded with orders from all over Japan? Iwata Toru, the bookstore owner, runs an omakase service where he selects books for his customers. People write to him, describing their lives and talking about what books they have enjoyed so far. Iwata treats each letter very seriously. Hirai Tomomi wrote to Iwata about the worries that seemed to overwhelm her life. She tells me she hasn't been able to emotionally break free from her parents, and she needs to do this in order to have her own independent life. That told me what kind of book to send her. For Hirai, Iwata selected this novel, a story about a group of female university students who overcome all kinds of problems in their lives. Books she'd never heard of before provided insights that helped Hirai find her way in life. I use a lifetime of experience as a bookseller to select the best for each customer. It's great to feel that they appreciate my efforts. In Japan, omakase means far more than just curating services. It's a way of enriching people's lives based on relationships of trust.